Welcome to PAM Distributing. Today we're taking a look at the Tripp Lite SMART1500LCD 1500 VA 900 watt line interactive UPS, a reliable backup power solution designed to protect critical equipment from power outages, surges, and voltage fluctuations. Let's open it up and see what's included. Inside the box, you'll find the UPS unit itself, along with the rack mounting hardware, power cables, and documentation to help you get everything installed quickly. This unit features a 2U rack or tower form factor, giving installers the flexibility to mount it in a rack or use it as a standalone power backup. On the front of the unit, you'll notice the LCD display, which provides real-time information including input voltage, load levels, battery capacity, and estimated runtime. This allows you to quickly monitor the status of your connected equipment. Moving to the back of the unit, you'll find 8 total outlets designed to provide battery backup and surge protection for your critical devices. You'll also see the USB and DB9 communication ports, which allow the UPS to communicate with a connected computer or network device for monitoring and safe shutdown during extended outages. This UPS delivers 1500 volt amperes or 900 watts of power capacity, making it ideal for protecting equipment like network switches, servers, NVRs, and surveillance systems. The line interactive design automatically corrects minor voltage fluctuations without switching to battery, helping extend battery life and maintain stable power. The Tripp Lite SMART1500LCD 1500 VA UPS is a dependable solution for keeping your systems running and protected when power conditions become unstable. If you're looking for reliable power protection for your rack equipment or surveillance systems, this unit is a great option. Available now from PAM Distributing, your trusted source for low-voltage security solutions.